can see here with the yellowtail. The yellowtail, the mullet fish, is endemic to Galapagos. You can see this species of mullet in Galapagos only. The blacktail that I don't see, it may be snorkeling, we might see mullets with the blacktail. They are natives to Galapagos. And look my two hands. The yellowtail mullet fish in Galapagos can be this big. Very huge.
They're big
We
fish.
don't like the mullet fish in Galapagos will be our very last option, you know, for food because too many bones. It's a very bony fish. What did you see there?
There's a lizard right there.
Oh yes, now I can see. That is our Isabela lava lizard. From this island, we are on Isabela. We saw from Fernandina the other day, the Fernandina lava lizard. Very dark. This is the one from Isabela. So if we see lizards, maybe, who knows. I saw just once in my life. Last year, one snake here, which is from this island.
Charlie, if you look through the binoculars, there's some really big fish underneath.
That's the, yeah.
Let's close our finger and see how large they are.
Maybe it'll be a land tortoise.
You said it's mullets. I mean, that should be pretty good eating with fried mullet.